Hey my chocolate babies, welcome back to another YouTube video with your girl dipped in chocolate. So don't forget to like, comment and subscribe, turn that post notification bell to be notified when the girl dipped in chocolate uploads another video. Anyways, so this vlog is going to be preparing for bikini brunch JA and also Chugit, but I'm unsure of going to Chugit. Like I don't know if we're gonna go, but me and my girls, we outside this Sunday and the sun perp. Anyways, you guys gonna see me getting my outfit, getting my new Bridget. Don't play with it. Don't play with it. Don't play with it. Don't play with it. So get my new Bridget. Going to get some accessories. You gotta please me on. Also, I'm behaving super duper goofy. Anyways, let me start over.
Yes.
So call it 2.6 million.
Yeah. Okay, so guys, we're going to Bridget. So alright, so we're going another lane. So I'm here. It's so beautiful. They have a variety of things. So beautiful. So I'm waiting on the cashier so that I can purchase my things. Why? So guys, I am promoting for bikini brunch. So guys, so I'm a promoter for the talk properly now, girl. So I'm one of the promoters, so that's what I'm doing now. Okay, so yes guys, I'm going to get my slippers, my sandals. I'm going to get my shades because the sandals and shades event, right? I can't contain myself. I'm super duper excited because I know that's gonna be lit. Yeah, so I want this video to be as long as possible so you guys can see that I'm on campus doing promotions. I'm going to put some clips of me doing some promotions with my friends. No, so them give me edibles to eat. Them must give me edibles. I'm full of some more energy anyways. Continue to watch, like, comment, subscribe, right? So guys, this is one of the most expensive decisions I have made all week because of this young lady. Alright, do not parrot killer, guys.
So after school, I went back home and did some assignments.
Guys, so we're in the changing room. Kayla wants to buy this, so I'm going to try and get one too. Yes, yes. This is what I'm getting.
Not my foot. She want my foot, yes, but.
And Kayla has one too.
She fall off her shit.
So we're twinning. I hope that the boy gives me back my money. I'm here. Oh, we're at King's Abby with Abby.
I'm more cooler than this. Me no want to go to that thing there now. Name's a totally man. Right now, I'm still on that drive.
I didn't tell you, but I'm working. Like, I'm in promotional job. So I mean, put more right there. Yeah. I mean, put me right now. Junks put me right now, and everybody there setting up. Blah blah. So I'm going to Clarendon. And where are you going?
Jones Portmore.
Yeah, she's staying at Jones Portmore. So let's see what's gonna happen. Look how pretty I am. My muscular sugar daddy feeling. Don't tell the boy. Done with the Portmore brunch. We don't set up, spin the wheel.
The top one.
So everybody else a set up for them thing over so.
This is cows.
Alright, they are.
Well, I'm a team, they are so short, they won't apply to us here. And nothing to me, sending back, it's not apply to us here. They are short, everybody know.
So guys, today is a bikini brunch. Bikini brunch and Chugit. So, you know, some my ear mud. Well, it hurt me, see guys. After 6 now, like a 10 minutes past 6 now. In the morning. Yes, you see the place at funky. Yeah. No, from what them there's a long my tongue like a lizard. Simone Campbell do this. She ever long out her tongue. I'm gonna sit her say, Miss Campbell, put your tongue in your head though. I'm gonna come there around her every time. It's like I'm gonna sketch her little tongue disease. Her little long out tongue disease. Anyways, yeah, I'm gonna comb my ear now. My best friend knows me again, so I'm gonna beg her a little tea. Got to hurt me, need one pill too. I'm gonna feel 100 and that. But anyways, continue watching guys. So guys, me can't get no transportation. So never walk until I see something or I see somebody who me know. Oh, so I just right up the road me again now. But everyone I go fall. Can't bother. So I go do me ear. Say trashy and look. Rush, I do everything. Put on my clothes in my vehicle. Rush, I do everything. Say I want to reach and enjoy myself at a particular time and reach where I go after there's something and reach at that place at a particular time. What time now, guys?
Fly low at 2 o'clock later, so I leave so.
What time now? 10:18. Brunch start from 8 o'clock. Select and I come. Place na set up.
They still up here.
Them still a paint.
Boats still come in.
Boats still a come in. We're the first people here. What time again? No, tell me line what time? 10:18. Yes. Yeah. So food not done now. Me know if food not done.
I'm not left till the food.
What's a piece of unorganization? Eh? Alright, for example, you keep a party. Them things here, alright, to the Sunday, Friday, Saturday, no matter if nobody in the team and work or what, you have somebody who come out and say, hey, you got somebody that prepare this and that. I can't. Shame might kill me. If a promoter never put me in a vehicle, if you go and sit on a little AC Me that car back sitting down, I'm going freak. No, where I going? Where would I go? Can't give them ticket are free. We not this no earth to pocket. I forgot Chugit. Got earth to pocket.
Don't come in to go lie down.
Cause
You couldn't come and stamp on the veranda.
me could say this don't make no sense at all. But anyways, I'm gonna try to enjoy myself as much as possible. I soon show them my outfit and everything. Mega pussy. The lotion. Anyways,
You're not gonna be that girl right now, you know.
Make way when the dance of them apart. Shake them up.
Every money you have to pay, come around. And if the crowd now, baby, a 5 million gone for it. So in the case of Henny go bigger. Say type of money for my shirt, you. A big food with no need. Wait, dog, fuck second and come down, make the sky upset. I'm going for that dinner, bumbo car now. We said the fucker run the clean. I see him now run for the prayer now. And we just come down. Yes, sir. I make up over there, so we say over here, sir. Wait, away champagne there. Wait, and we have a big money yard and we go down a time. We are rookie with the one and a chop up the line. Two girl in my bed, we fuck every night. It's a house for the hill, me happy for God. Joe, me you feel live good, I mean. Rich alive! Somebody say Father! Father! Somebody say Father! One on! One on! One on! Hold on. People now!
when you like close, we have to leave.
Shoot again. Oh God.
Close, we have to leave.
Shoot again.
Buckler, me ain't a lame buckler. Me nah let you pan belly. Anytime on the ready. You me there up on the belly, say the food on the belly, all the time I say. White teeth and a baby. That's some shot. Whoa. That's some blast. The life we live for them. Buckler, rich Saminata. Fully who's the work can't fall. Good time to artists. Fuck up gal where I cross it. Used to walking on the road and drive past me. Me and sing from the yard what the heart is. And wait I go pass me. Yo the hype and the fame become a man. Yo me day and I was good at the night. And I'm fucking full of them. I'm gonna see them a banger. I be standing me and I say hold on.
What's happening to me? What's your name? Staring out the window. The shop by the side. That's the reason why.
You know when they go to the poor door, man. Ready, come on! Where's the festive girl in my day, like, you know why?
Bless me, baptize me, wicked and bold, some wicked and cold.
Bobby, that girl is like,